Introducing Bronco Max, DuraLabel's most affordable and efficient industrial sign and label system. New labeling and signage needs arise daily in industrial facilities. Bronco Max has everything you need to design and print your own industrial labels and signs in seconds. Our patented label system software comes packed with a comprehensive library of compliance modules, templates, and symbols, giving you the tools needed to quickly create compliant labels. You can even build your own library of custom signs and labels to maximize efficiency. Are you looking for an industrial labeling system you can share with the whole team? Bronco Max can be connected directly to your network so that your team can print from any network PC. With industry-leading high-resolution thermal transfer technology, Bronco Max prints durable signs and labels that last for years, even in the harshest conditions. Bronco Max supports hundreds of different supplies that allow you to create labels for any application and any surface you can imagine. Our easy-to-load cartridges make changing supplies faster than ever. Just drop in supply, insert the ribbon cartridge, close the lid, and you're ready to print. Bronco Max automatically calibrates each time you change supplies to ensure you always get the best quality print, with zero wait time and zero wasted supply. Already own a Toro Max? Both Bronco Max and Toro Max share the same supplies, meaning more savings and less hassle. Like all DuraLabel printers, Bronco Max comes with a 5-year warranty and free customer support for the life of your printer. Take your safety labeling to the max with Bronco Max. To learn more, visit DuraLabel.com or call 888-326-9244.